tightrope. Oh, it's upside down. Come on, son. That was tougher than it needed to be.
I think I'm stupid.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna get my phone. That should be the overflow.
Okay.
That is not the overflow.
No.
Working, minding my own business. Reaching up, I hear this lady behind me talking. I turn around. And she is pissed. She works for Domino's and she's mad that I'm closing down the road by her work. And she can't make money and saying I need to get the hell out of here. And I tell her, well, I'll get out of here Sunday whenever I open it back up. Shut it right here. She's all mad, goes over to her boss. Her boss comes over there. Try to figure out what's going on. I tell him the same thing I told her. He said okay and walked away. And this is why I don't like working in town.
What's she saying? Was she hitting at you, dude?
Yeah. It ain't my fault.
That's what I thought was happening. I walked over here because I thought that.
Just for a minute. Back up a little bit.
What's she call rude?
She said, that's rude. People are stacking up back here.
Oh, okay.
Hey, so I got told to ask, y'all setting these up tomorrow or right now? Saturday 8 a.m. I'll pick it up Sunday 10 a.m.
Highway.
Whatever. Everybody's looking, man. Like
that man is on a molly.
That man's awesome.
Which ones to get? Is that what they're
There's no parking. That's about it comes. That boy's gonna have a rude awakening when he wakes up in the morning.
Oh yeah.
He's gonna be like, what the
You gonna wake up for church. I got a dad joke. These are getting feet, those are getting towed. That was good. I didn't know they brought the bomb squad out to
well, they bring bomb dogs and sniff the bombs.
You're right, that's what I meant. I didn't know they bring bomb dogs out to sniff for them. For bombs.
That side of the street.
I lost my up here, on the street here.
I know I seen them towing them this morning. I don't know where they took them.
I mean,
I know the cops were out here dealing with it.
what,
I was early in the morning. It was
Five.
five.
Yeah, it was really early this morning. I thought you want to go run the marathon. I thought you wanted to get.
And then we'll go drop this trailer about a mile away. We're gonna leave it in their yard. They're already okay with it.
Okay.
Oiga, señor.
Sí.
I thought you didn't have to wear your vest if your hoodie had high vis.
I just do it.
Oh, okay.
I just do it.
¿Qué pensé? What?
Where's your reflective though?
What?
They should be chest and arms on the hoodie.
Here. Like this?
Yeah, on your
Like on the belly, I think.
Don't be touching me.
Yeah, don't be touching him. Not without his consent.
Yeah, he could have worked.
That's what I mean.
Yeah.
No, I was just asking if he had a specific reason or just because, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know if he like liked the
I
pockets
don't
or
come out that
something.
much, and they told me to put a vest on top of the whatever I put a vest on
So
top
this,
of
the belly,
Uh-huh.
class 1. Belly and shoulders, class 2.
Okay.
Belly, shoulder, arm, class 3.
Class 3. Felony.
And if it's dark, you have to have class 3.
You said if I'm dark, I gotta have a class?
It's dark.
Take all the downhills.
All right, the run is about done and we're picking everything up. Wait, what the fuck? Yeah.
Hey, did you guys pick up some of the cones from this side?
Did we what?
Did you get some cones off of this side down by those connexes? Okay, that's what I was wanting to know. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Because you were clearly stopped, and then you're like, I literally almost fell. I would have been pissed if I fell.
Oh.